There's one bit of suggestion that I would like to give you, and that is, you have to keep in mind that in the beginning, for most students, it's difficult to visualize three-dimensional shapes. So to help yourself, what you can do is get some Play-Doh, right? You can easily find this in shops, especially for smaller children, right? Of course, in the absence of this, you can even use dough at home, but this is much preferable because it lasts at a longer time, and you can keep a little bit with you in your geometry box or something quite easily. So you won't have to use it all the time, but at least in the beginning, as you are learning this chapter, it is important that you use this. Let us say you want to model a cylinder on top of which there is a cone surmounted. Okay, so you can just take, say, half of it, and this is almost a cylinder. And approximate modeling is what you need. You don't need very accurate modeling or scale modeling. And what we'll do is we'll take a bit of this, just so that they're different colors. And now this we need as a cone, right? So we almost have a cone here now. It should just sit here. Almost there. Needs to be a little smaller. What it does is, first of all, volume wise, you know that the amount of material is the volume, right? So it gives you a very good idea of what is happening. I'll make this slightly fatter. And there we have the two. Definitely it's a very approximate modeling. But you can see, if you wanted to find the surface area of this, and I have told you, to find the surface area, you should first clearly know how many surfaces are there. So one thing is clear, there is the curved surface area of the cone here, you have the curved surface area of the cylinder, and you have the base area of the cylinder. So 1, 2 and only 3 visible surfaces. The 2 surfaces which were there here and here, they are lost as the solid is being made. So with just a little bit of Play-Doh in your geometry box perhaps, it's very easy to model these problems. And in the beginning, when you're doing and when you get stuck somewhere, I'd advise you to model it. In fact, in the beginning, try to model every problem and think through it as you're doing it. As you get good with it, then you may perhaps not need this at all. Alright? So this is a good bit of a tool to have in your geometry box, especially when you're doing volume and surface area.